Hello students. In last lecture of digital marketing, we have studied the meaning of marketing, meaning of digital marketing and various channels for the digital marketing. Today we are going to study the concept of search engine, organic and paid search and categories of SEO, black hat and white hat techniques. Let's go for the search engine. Here you can see the various search engines, and in this figure you can see the search engines window where we are providing the data, and after that we can press on go. A search engine or a web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, that is internet search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. The search results are generally presented in a line of results, often referred to as search engine results pages, known as SERPs. The information may be a mix of links to web pages, images, videos, infographics, articles, research papers and other type of files. This is, I think, completely general information for you, as you have served a lot of information up to now on the various search engines. When you provide any specific data, that time you can get the related links, related images, related videos, and by using that information you can provide your or you can go for your work. The entire SEO works on keywords. If those keywords are being used in the content of the website, then that website may rank in top 10 or 20 search results. That means whatever the data you are providing here, if that data exists in the web page at the initial position in the meta tags or in the title tag, then that website may result in the top searches, and thus you can display or you can acquire the higher result for your website. Image or no videos will be displayed here. Also, whatever may be the links are displaying here, it is not having any specific extensions, just like advertisements or sponsorship like that. All these websites have not paid anything to the browser or to the search engine to visit these websites by the customer. This processing is known as the organic search. Then second example or second type is the paid search. Here you can see the word ad. Ad means the advertisement, and here you can see the word as a sponsored. When you get the data like ad and sponsored, that means these website owners have paid the search engine's specific amount when client clicks on these websites or client clicks on these images or links. Got the concept of paid search? पेड सर्चमध्ये जो कोणी ओनर असतो तो ओनर त्या सर्च इंजिनला पैसे प्रोव्हाइड करत असतो, पैसे पेड करत असतो. जेव्हा त्याची वेबसाईट कस्टमरकडनं क्लिक केली जाईल त्या वेळेला ती वेबसाईट व्हिजिट होते आणि ती व्हिजिट करण्यासाठी त्या वेबसाईटचा ओनर सर्च इंजिनला पैसे पेड करतो. आणि हे क्लिअरली आपल्याला इथे दिसतंय की इथे ॲड आहे, म्हणजे ॲमेझॉनने पैसे पे केलेले आहेत. इथे रिअलमी, ओप्पो हे जे काही फोन्स दिसतात ते त्यांनी सुद्धा पैसे पे केलेले आहेत. Then again go to the SEO or organic search. Using SEO techniques and strategies used to get higher ranking and breaking search engine rules are: there are two types of techniques and strategies to get the higher ranking. First one is the white hat technique and second one is the black hat technique. But when you use the white hat technique, it is the organic way or legal way, but black hat is not the legal way. When you go for the black hat, that time you are breaking the search engine rules. White hat techniques are recommended by the search engines beside good website design. It is recommended by search engines because it uses organic techniques and demands quality in a site in order to ensure it performs well to search order. Its strategies are: relevant content, well labeled images, relevant links and references, complete sentences with good spelling and grammar, standard compliant HTML, and unique and relevant page title. These are some of its strategies. Now, relevant content. Relevant content means whatever the data is provided on the website that is easily understandable by the customer. There is no confusion in the data. Then second one, well labeled images. Whatever the images are provided, all that images having proper labeling. Relevant links and references. If any image is shown and if it requires to provide more information about that image, that time specific links and references are provided, as well as any specific word is highlighted and more information is required, that time also that word gets linked or referenced by other websites. Then complete sentence. Whatever the data is displayed is a meaningful with good spelling and grammar. Then complete data is HTML compliant, means it is completely formed or designed with the HTML tools. And whatever the different titles are given while designing the HTML pages, that all are unique and relevant. Relevant means easily understandable by the user as well as the browser, and it is unique. Due to its uniqueness, when we search any data through the search engine, it gets matched with the title and that website get displayed on the browser. All these are the benefits of the white hat. Content is the main thing under the white hat, and whatever the working you are doing under the white hat, that is completely legal working. You are not cheating your customer. But when you are not having your proper data, that time you may use the black hat technique, which is illegal. Therefore, you should not go for this technique. This technique breaks the rules of the search engine. These techniques are not approved by the search engine. It is a technique that is used to increase a site or web page rank in search engine through violating the search engine's terms and services. Nowadays, this black hat term is more commonly used to describe computer hackers, virus creators, unethical action performers. All these people are under the black hat strategies. Its strategies are duplicate content. That means these websites not having their own data. Whatever the content, whatever the data they have displayed, that may copied from another website. Then invisible text and stuffed keyword. Whatever the text they have provided, that is not properly visible, and stuff means confusing keywords are provided. That keywords may have in many special characters which may create lots of confusion, and that will be meaningless. then cloaking or redirecting the user to another site or page. If they are providing any extra information through the link, but that link is not going to the proper way at the proper location, but it takes the customer to any illegal sites, then links from site with non-relevant content. Also, whatever the contents are displayed on that link websites, that contents are also non-relevant. Okay, this is the concept of white hat and black hat. White hat is the legal, black hat is illegal. Then next one, using SEO, there are various ways to generate and increase the traffic to your website. It is having the three types: on page, off page and technical. We will see all these things in the next video or next lecture. Today your exercise is, you have to explain the search engine in SEO. Okay, we will stop here.